Follow the steps on how to use the Adobe Illustrator Action feature. First, display the Actions panel. Here there are built-in actions that you can try, but here I will create a new folder. Rename your folder. Select Object and click New Action. I will make Align Center. You can also add function keys, but here I choose none. Then click Record. Start clicking Align Center. After that, click Stop. Now this command can be used for other objects by clicking the play button. Automatically the object is centered to the artboard. Apart from center to artboard, you can also center to selected objects like this. Okay. Now I will create another action, namely an object with no outline. Click New Action, then rename. Then press X/X to remove the stroke. And click Stop. And now you can use it on other objects. Select and click the wastebasket icon if you want to delete it. Additional tips: use button mode for faster action. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.